Galaxy S21 Ultra is equipped with our most advanced pro-grade camera system in a smartphone yet. Its new quad camera captures your fast-paced world in vivid lifelike detail, thanks to its new 108 megapixel that delivers 64 times richer color and wider dynamic range. First, enter photo mode and press ratio in the quick setting panel to select a higher resolution option. You can select up to 108 megapixel for Galaxy S21 Ultra and 64 megapixel for Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. After taking a 108 megapixel photo, you can zoom in the picture and press the crop button on the upper left to capture a new photo. The new captured picture will still maintain excellent resolution. Our improved hyper-detailed 100 times space zoom lets you capture the clearest shots from the farthest distance thanks to our new dual zoom lens. Plus, with Zoom Lock, you'll get clear shots even in the shakiest or unsteady conditions. If you zoom in more than 30 times and do not move for 2 seconds, or touch the Zoom Lock icon, the Zoom Map, which allows you to take pictures without shaking, will be activated in yellow. With Galaxy S21 Ultra, we took our night mode a step further with a fast bright night sensor and enhanced noise reduction. So, you can take the clearest studio quality shots in the lowest light environments. Select Auto Max option to switch to Max. You can set the shooting time longer. Take a night mode photo with a Galaxy S20 Ultra. Compare photo taken by the Galaxy S20 and the Galaxy S21. Galaxy S21 also features the first ever 4K filming across all lenses. Record in the default Auto Full HD with Galaxy S21 Ultra. Then, record with S20 Ultra, which supports fixed Full HD 30 frame. And with improved Super Steady, every video is guaranteed to be the smoothest, even in the choppiest conditions. With enhanced single take, you get 5 times more AI processing to help you capture incredible detail in every shot. Galaxy Buds Pro were designed to give you more control over the world around you by combining active noise cancellation and ambient sound. Enhanced active noise cancellation blocks 99% of outside noise to allow you full immersion. If you are in less noisy places, for example, when studying or working at home, you can lower the noise cancelling level. Here are also 4 levels of ambient sound to suit your mood. This flexibility gives you more control to adjust and personalize the setting to suit your needs. But this is the game changer. Galaxy Buds Pro introduced the most intelligent ANC on true wireless earbuds. Your earbuds switch temporarily to ambient sound and turn down your music when you're speaking, so you can hear conversations clearly without taking out your earbuds. Once the conversation ends, Galaxy Buds Pro automatically returns the setting. ANC turns on, and your music plays at its original volume. You can set switch back time from 5 to 15 seconds depending on your preference. On top of intelligent ANC, Galaxy Buds Pro provide more options to control sound around you, from Galaxy Wearable app to the widget and Bluetooth setting. Or you can make use of the Bixby Voice Wake Up. Galaxy Buds Pro open up your experience to new levels when paired with other devices in the Galaxy ecosystem. As a part of this, Galaxy Buds Pro can automatically switch the earbuds connection between your Galaxy devices. If you're watching a video on your tablet and then receive a call on your smartphone, auto-switching will let you answer the phone using Galaxy Buds Pro. And once the call ends, Galaxy Buds Pro instantly switch back to your tablet. The video plays again, and you can hear the sound with your earbuds. Similarly, you're watching a video on your phone on the way home, and you want to keep watching in with a bigger screen on your tablet when you get home. No extra steps are needed to switch over your earbuds to your tablet. Just play the video on your tablet, and the Galaxy Buds Pro will switch over so you can continue. SmartThings Find is a new service that helps you quickly and easily locate Galaxy devices using Bluetooth Low Energy and ultra-wideband technology. Whether you left your device in another room or even in a completely different city, easily locate your Galaxy device including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and earbuds, even when they're offline. At SmartThings app, locate and click the SmartThings Find card on the SmartThings dashboard. Select the device you want to display on the map. Then, the screen will show the location of this device on the map. If the device you are looking for is near you, click Search Nearby. Switch to the Search Nearby screen and look for a BLE signal. When the BLE signal is connected, it switches to BLE Find mode. It can help you locate the device due to changes in graphics, depending on the signal strength. If the device is hidden and not visible, user can ring the device by clicking the Ring button in AR Find mode or BLE Find mode. Samsung's new Smart Tag helps you locate your non-connected belongings, from your keys to your wallet, or even your family pet using their collar, not just Galaxy devices. If you turn on the power of Galaxy Smart Tag, you can add your tag at the pop-up window for connecting devices. User can now see the added tag on the dashboard of the SmartThings. At SmartThings Find, you can see the location of the tagged car key. Now, let's find where the car key is. Select Search Nearby. If the BLE signal is connected, it shifts to BLE Find mode. Depending on the strength of signals, the graphic changes. The bigger the green circle is, the closer the distance between you and the tag. If the item is hidden, you can select the ring icon and make the tag provide sound. This ring icon is found in the AR Find or BLE Find mode.